Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest cars, motorcycle, trucks, trailer, boat spotlight. 2 PCs 7-inch 45 watts round LED work light spot beam 12 volts 24 volts driving lights for 4x4 off-road cars, motorcycle, trucks, trailer, SUV, ATV, boat spotlight headlight driving lights 24 volts fog lamp technical specification. Power 45 watts luminous flux, approx 4200 lm working voltage, DC 10-30 volts fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles. Number of chips, 3 PCs 15 watts intense Cree LED protection rate, IP67 color temperature, pure white 6000 K working temperature, -4085 degrees Celsius beam angle, spot 30 degree, size without bracket, approx 170 x 130 180 mm material, extruded aluminum profile, high transmission PC lens mounting bracket. Aluminum angle adjustable mounting lifetime. About 50,000 hours certified by Sandrose. Color temperature, 6000 type. Work light external testing certification. Position, middle beam angle, spot degree, 30 degree wattage, 45 wingress protection, IP67 working temperature, -4085 degrees Celsius brand name, Juanba Alfred lumens. 4200 lm voltage, 1030 voltage working temperature, -4085 degrees Celsius beam angle, spot 60 degree size without bracket, approx 180 x 110 210 mm material, extruded aluminum profile, high transmission PC lens mounting bracket, aluminum angle adjustable mounting lifetime. About 50,000 hours certified by Sandrose. Package included 45 watts LED driving light X2 DT waterproof plug X2 with stent package X2 brand name, Juanba Alfra type, work light color temperature, 6000 K working temperature, -4085 degrees Celsius external testing certification, beam angle, spot degree, 60 degree wattage, 45 position, middle ingress protection, IP68 lumens, 6000 lm voltage. 932 voltage. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.